some of the issues that I've had on recent camps is my feet have been dangling on this top wire here, where I've been a bit concerned about potentially knocking some wires out. So what we're going to do today to make sure that this is completely safe and finished is get this battery area completely boxed off. We've got some spare wood that we've got from the old bed build. We've also got some other wood here in case we run out. But that area needs to be boxed off first. We can put a little top over it as well that I've got some ply on, just so we can cover the battery area and then I don't get electrocuted on the feet. Get the build done and then we'll head off for tonight's camp. Ah, my finger. Okay, so a roundup on what we've got done this morning before we go on tonight's camp. This is the enclosure. Excuse the pieces of wood that are around here. I massively overestimated how much wood we'd actually need. This is the part that we've cut that I can just put my fingers in and lift out that goes on the end here. Everything's going to be carpeted. The front here is going to be carpeted. It's now screwed in. That's the diesel heater. You can see the pipe there. Battery sat in place. These pieces of wood aren't touching any wires. We've checked all the electrics. Everything's working. Let's see if I can turn that upside down and show you everything there. We've got cut-off switch. On, off, and that's on. Nice.
And just while I get the van ready for tonight's camp, I recently partnered up with HelloFresh to film some home cooking with my wife Alyssa.
Now I've actually been allowed in the kitchen very briefly today to film this segment for HelloFresh. We were actually going to drop a subscription for HelloFresh about 2 or 3 months ago, weren't we?
Yeah.
Very, very close to doing it, and when they got in contact to sponsor a segment for today's video, I thought we have to give it a try. The good thing about HelloFresh is that all the ingredients that come in the box and for your meals, they give you the exact ingredient amounts to make sure that your meal can be prepared. So we're going for the bulgogi beef. So the recipe that we're cooking tonight, the bulgogi beef bowl, is one of only 37 recipes specifically created by chefs around the world that you can choose from on their website. Now, we've gone for the family plan, haven't we?
Yeah. Which
means in total, that's 12 meals in one box. Now, without further ado, let's get cooking. I'm starving. Get that bag open. What's in it?
The most convenient thing about HelloFresh for us was the clear and easy to follow instructions that come with each recipe. Neither of us are professional chefs, and I think anyone with basic cooking skills could prepare some delicious meals. For a limited time only, HelloFresh have given me a great offer of 60% off your first box and 25% off the next 2 months to share with you guys, either by scanning the QR code that's on screen now or by following the link in the description and using the code HFBrendan.
A big thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave a link in the description below where you guys can check out HelloFresh for yourselves. Now back to today's video. Lovely smell of the rapeseed. Just in time for tea. So this is a little parking space up at Wenlock Edge. Never been here before. Brand new park up in Shropshire. Managed to get a few of us in. I think once they go, I think I'll be going there. I don't really fancy having my nose out on a bend. Oh, do you know what? It feels good to be early for once.
I tell you what, you and Ty, we need words, Mr. Explorers.
I need to sort my life out, I think.
So,
Right, let's have a look inside the van, mate. This is your setup for tonight.
Yeah, it is.
You got the TV there, I see.
TV. I've done a lot on this.
This is luxury. This is luxury.
I got the game changer now. It's in the cupboard here. Look, mate, air fryer.
Oh yeah.
We are.
Hey, I tell you what, that's a posh one.
We are not cooking on gas now.
That looks like more like a hairdryer with the aesthetics as opposed to an air fryer.
And Summers it is.
And Summers?
Yeah,
air fryer?
Yeah.
Right, we've come for a little walk. We've parked the vans and cars up just on the edge there, and we've come for a little walk around Wenlock Edge. Not a very long walk tonight, but just a bit of an explore for a couple of guys to go for a walk in the woods.
I think there's more than a couple. Just like couples too.
Yeah, I wonder if it's too many.
Two's come.
Do you think though, like with the amount of vehicles that we've got there, do you think 5 vehicles?
Yeah, it's excessive, especially for the carbon imprint. I absolutely loved his last series, the American one.
This brings back memories when we went to Wenlock Edge. What was it? A year and a half ago?
It was, yeah.
Yeah. Looking around there, what we tried to find, Kinniston's Leap.
Yeah, Major's Leap.
Major's Leap. That's right. Yeah. Yeah. No luck.
No. Well, we did find it.
Yeah.
But we didn't think that was Major's Leap. It was
No.
the view at the end. It was the view.
The view in the sunset was to die for. I'll put a little clip in here of the sunset that me and Matty were able to catch that night. It was a pretty nice evening, to say the least, wasn't it, to see that going through the trees. Managed to get the drone up as well, fly it back through the trees. My heart was skipping a bit.
Yeah.
Watching it go away from us. But yeah, that was a nice night, that. Right then.
I mean,
McDonald's cheeseburger.
Yeah, go for it. No gherkins.
yeah, mate.
You're having duck.
I am.
Should we just take our shoes off, relax,
relax,
chill out,
chill.
you know, just take the weight off the feet, put the bag down, open the fridge, get some beef out, get the burger buns, get the cheese, get the gherkins, get the burger sauce, and pig out.
Yeah,
Okay, right, let's do that then. I wanted to be able to show you my storage solution. So you can get these from Pound Stretcher, obviously not sponsored, for $3.99. And I can actually stack them 2 up now because the supporting beam underneath the bed isn't there because I haven't got a sliding mechanism. I've got the 3 legs for the bed there. When it gets a bit later on, I want to go to bed, I'll fold out the bed like that, and the 3 legs will be underneath. And then I've also got 2 of those storage boxes lengthways. That can't go lengthways because of the wheel arch. And then right next to that, in case of an emergency, is the toilet from the car. So we haven't used that yet. Fingers crossed, we don't have to. One thing I am lacking tonight though, is a pee bottle. I haven't got a pee bottle with me, so better get through that bottle of water and try and thread a needle a bit later on. For tonight's dinner, are you ready for it?
Yes.
We're going to be having some quarter-pounder cheeseburgers with some burger sauce and some fresh gherkins as well. I've managed to get my hands on some fresh gherkins from no other than Aldi.
Oh, nice.
You can actually get like a little cool jar of fresh gherkins. Who else has brought them? Let me know, because they are absolutely delicious. What did you think? Let's get the gas in. Let's get the beef. Let's get the buns. Have you got a plate?
I haven't.
Surprise. Surprise. A little update for you guys. What I've been doing today in all the camps in this van is basically using a bin bag just strewn around somewhere to be able to put all the rubbish in, or, you know, washing up in, for example, when I go home. I've actually got an update. So I fitted this little thing on the back of the unit here. There was a little bit of a gap between the unit and the door, and I thought, why not utilize it with a bit of bin space? Now, instead of actually getting a bin, which to fit in that gap would be rather small, and all the bins that are that thin tend to be quite small capacity as well, I thought, well, why not get something that's like a bin holder? So I managed to get this off Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below, just to be able to fill a small gap at the back of the van where I've got a bin. It's very easy to just cover up there with a little plastic lid to stop any smells. And I can also open the back door and just take the bin bag out, straight out to the bin somewhere on the way home. Let me get the beef. Let me get the beef. The beef. Cheese. Cheese. Sauce. Sauce. Beef. Beef. And we got buns. We're sorted, mate. This is life. This is life. I've also got drawers. The drawers have got latches on them now. I was actually able to pick these up on Amazon for, I think it was £4.
Nice.
I think, yeah, 2 packs of 2. Very easy, but the screws are like chocolate. So if you do get something similar, I'll put the link in the description. Use different screws. I have used one here, but they're not exactly the best screws. I've actually got drawers. Tea making facilities, porridge for the morning. I've got sugar, flapjack.
I like a bit of flapjack.
Okay, I might give you that. It's raining outside. We're in a snuggly camper. We got burgers. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's good, isn't it? Perfect size for 4 burgers. So we're actually forecast torrential rain tonight. So up until 1 o'clock in the morning, it's supposed to be absolutely lashing it down. And this is the first night in the van that I've been out where it's forecast really heavy rain. It's raining right now, but it's not like absolutely throwing it down, is it? So it's going to be quite nice tonight. Now, obviously the leak on the van at the very front, when me and my dad repaired it with the CT1 like black sealant and that little weather strip on top, that's all fixed. It's been a couple of nights where it's rained and it hasn't come through, but tonight is going to be the real test, not only of the bed, when I sleep on the bed and see how the system works with the bed, also that seal at the top. If I've got drips on the headliner, that's not going to be a happy morning. Now, you said you don't like gherkins, didn't you?
No.
Why?
Every time I see him on the burgers, I'm like, oh no.
You see, I can eat these raw.
Ugh.
Let me get you in the mood for a burger, mate.
God.
Oh, they are good though.
Rather you
Pickled
than me.
gherkins, mate, in vinegar.
Which one?
Oh.
Do you guys like gherkins, or are you like me that don't? Leave a comment below.
Leave a comment, let us know. Gherkins or no gherkins?
I'm definitely a no gherkins man. You.
I can tell by your face. Let me show you what these look like. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Now, are we normal folks for having hot chocolate with burgers?
Absolutely.
Are we normal?
There's nothing more normal out there.
Oh my God, mate, it's chucking it down there now.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I suppose we can't hear it because of the sizzle of the burgers. Oh,
mate.
look at that. That's just naughty. That is naughty, that is.
Filth in it.
That's the bottom, innit?
Yeah.
Right, let me get your cheese on quick. Now, you sure you don't want any gherkins? What are gherkins?
Oh, pickle.
But what is a pickle?
Vegetable.
But isn't a pickle like a process as opposed to a vegetable? Isn't a pickle like pickling something? Like what? Like I always thought gherkins, I know it might sound stupid here, are cucumbers, but pickled. Pickled cucumbers. I could be completely wrong. I
You
could
see,
sound like a
there is a
complete fool.
process called pickled onions, isn't there?
Yeah, but because they're just onions that have been pickled.
But I think it's obviously a pickle.
Campervan debates. Anyway, before we carry on with our pickle debate, that's what my burgers look like. That's Matty's extra one there. Let's get their hats on. Little tap for good luck. Look at that. Pickles oozing out, double cheese. Let's go for a big, massive chomp. It's the best burger I've cooked on account.
Really?
Yeah.
Better than the Hereford ones?
Yeah. It's the pickles that do it. That's gorgeous. Look at that. This is why I come on camps.
Yeah. Just to cook.
Just to cook, mate. Just to have the food. It's weird. It's like food tastes better in the van. It's a strange phenomenon. Does anyone else feel the same? Let me know. But yeah, literally, food tastes better in the van. It's like an achievement. It's like when you look around you and go, I can't believe I've made this in this. And it's like when you hear the rain outside. Like if I just go quiet for a minute, you can hear it chucking down with rain. We're sat in the back. The lights are on. We're warm. We've just cooked some of the best burgers I've ever tasted.
You're dead chuffed, aren't you?
I am, mate. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. Right, I'm gonna get these down my neck. Savour the moment for a little bit more. Listen to the rain. Sink down the hot chocolate. And I'll see you in a sec. Come on in, Matty. Come on in, Matty. That's it. How's it? Yeah, you can't sit back like that. I've got it.
This is good.
Come on.
I'm going in the van because I'm soaked.
All right, mate.
How many blokes can we get in a one van? Come on, Steve. Close the door, mate.
In a bit. All right, mate.
We're all in. We're all in. We're doing all right, aren't we?
We are, mate.
We're doing all right.
What's the rating of the rear coil springs? Asking for a friend.
I tell you what, them LEDs are bright, aren't they?
They are bright, mate. Take your cornea off,
Yeah.
mate.
Actually, they are nice. They are proper ice white,
They're
aren't they?
Go check out Dave Outdoors.
Shameless plug.
Go and check out Matty's Adventures if you want to see him eat the same burger that I showed in my video.
Hey, I've got
Go and
news for
check
you.
out Steve's Monumental Adventures if you want to see him eat. What did you have?
The duck.
The duck.
It was the duck in a red currant sauce.
Yeah, that's it. You got it. Yeah, he only caught it 5 minutes ago. Right, I think we're going to take the piss a bit more, and I think it won't be long before we call it a night. Hey, Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Well, you know, when
That wasn't set up at all, by the way.
I saw an opportunity and I went for
You
it.
took it. I don't blame you, mate. So am I sleeping in your car tonight, am I?
If you want to sleep in my car, mate, you fill your boots.
We've all called it a night. Matty's just got in his car. We've all clambered out of here, 4 blokes in a van. We've had a good time tonight. It's been a great camp up at Wenlock Edge. But now the time has come to properly test this bed out and see how easy it is with the new setup to get this flipped out into a double. In my head, this is going to be relatively easy, but we'll see. We'll see. Right, see me struggle. I'm sure there's going to be a bit of it. First things first, let's get rid of the bedding so they can go on top of there as well. Now we need to lift this up and get the legs in. Right, that's one leg. Got to get that out of the way. That's got to be well out of the way. Get that flipped down. Right, that can go down there. That goes on there. Oh, right. I'm going to get undressed, get into bed, and just really enjoy tonight, I think. Having a double bed in the back of the van, transforms into a sofa bed. We've got the kitchen unit, we've got the curtains. Yeah, it's just, I've said it before, I'm not going to say it again. You know how I'm feeling. If you've watched the channel for a while, you know how I'm feeling. Good night. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Oh, sorry about the flicker of the lights. Oh, what a good night that was last night. Sprawled out on the double bed. I definitely had the best night's sleep in the van so far last night. Diesel heater's clicking away. It's a nice morning this morning. I think it's about 6 degrees outside. It's 21 in here. You can't go wrong, can you? What I think I need right now is a big mug of a 2 tea bag tea to give me that caffeine injection and set me off right. So let's get a brew on.
Oh my God, it's arisen.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Is that your heater on?
That's my heater on, all right. So how is everyone this morning?
We double filming here. Oh,
In fact,
wow.
I press record first. You better believe it, all right?
Is this some sort of recording Mexican standoff?
Yeah, who can draw first?
This is what happens when I'm doing a piece of footage and we don't finish it. I've got to finish it in the morning, so it looks like we just finished it last night. You see?
Yeah.
'Cause it was
Just don't put the camera on me, otherwise I look like this. What happened to Brendan? Did he go for a bush? Good morning.
Morning, Squire.
How are you this morning?
Well, thank you. Yourself?
Hello.
Nick Tilly.
Oh, hello, Tilly. How was your night, mate?
Nice.
Yeah.
Slept in, really.
Yeah.
7 o'clock was Matt peering through Dave's window, and I'm like, she started barking at him.
Is he up, is he? Oh, I can see his window
he's
open, yeah.
sorted,
Yeah.
mate, yeah.
Let's have a look. Look at him! Look at him there! In his chair, he's got his tape. Right, I'll leave you to enjoy it, mate. All right.
Have a look after me.
All right, mate. Nice one. Okay, from Wenlock Edge in Shropshire, another new Shropshire park up with the mist going through the hills. I'm going to leave you here as we enjoy a bit of porridge. Nice. Yep, beautiful. Good. And a hot drink. Right then, from the Shropshire Hills, I'll see you in the next video.
Again, a big thanks to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget, you can get 60% off your first box and 25% off the next 2 months, either by scanning the QR code on screen now or using the code HFBrendan through the link in the description. See you next time, guys.